Okay, so I went ahead and did my brows. Now we're going to go in Milani concealer. Take my concealer brush and just rub this all in Fenty Beauty Blender. And just really funny song that's in my head. Alright, and my Rivera palette. So again, I just love this veil. This, I'm like a pink girl. And when they did this, I was all over it. Do y'all see that color now? And it is giving a little bit of fallout, but I don't care. You be looking crazy for a little bit. That's the only thing I'm like, you gotta really trust the process. I swear y'all, people be looking at me like, what is this girl doing to my face? She gonna have me looking like a clown, but I'm like, I promise you I won't. I promise you I won't. So now I'm gonna go in with that other color and with my fingers. And you see how pretty that is? So this one, this precision liner from Sephora, and I'm just gonna get it with this one, Alright, so we're done with that. I'm gonna go in here with my black eyeliner, mascara from e.l.f. What do you want? Pop these babies on. Using the Kiss in the Super Hold. So I'm gonna pop this baby on. I do not use anything but my tin. Like so. So Jackie, and then you come out looking like honey. Okay. All right, NYX Studio Perfect Photo Loving Primer, and you only need a little bit of that. Rub it in my face. So, don't rub that on y'all lips. We're gonna go in with our MAC. I don't know. I just bought this one. I'm normally a Fenty of the NW43. So my Instapop face brush, and just blend this all in, honey. Don't forget that neck. Don't forget that neck, honey. Oh, that's done. Let's go in with my fine again, which I'm almost out of, and just go LA Pro Girl concealer back to that Milani, and just not a lot of it. Just a blending brush again, and see that under eye. You see that? So, don't you be hating when you think you got a booger and you don't, but You think you do? Yep, that just happened. And while that's setting like a lining, but the dark, and because I want some contour. No, I need my forehead to look a little bit smaller. Precision brush, and I hope this is capturing, because honey, I love this part. I love when it just all come together. Like just a little, and go off with that same precision brush. I just wiped it off, and we're just removing what we just put on. So, and I'm not done quite yet, but just blend. Blending is key with makeup. Like, once you figure out a good blending technique, you're all good, honey. Trust. Back with a little of that Monte Carlo in here for my blush. Please don't ask me what color this is, because my lip liner, liquid lip liner. Like, did you want to look like, I mean, I don't get that. Like, why do y'all want to look exactly like somebody else? Cosmetics, and just because I'm a little extra, I be a little extra sometimes. I can admit it though, you know? And I'm gonna go right there. In the corner. You see that? To me that is so pretty and so necessary, and just, it's like, it's everything. It's cute. I don't think it really pops out when it's matte. Let's try with a gloss. Hold on. Okay, so I went ahead and put on some gloss. To me, it looks better with the gloss. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face with this matte finish. My NYX. Drying time. Okay, y'all, so I'm done. This is the completed look. I love it. It's really cute. I'm gonna move my mirror. So this is her. I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial. Please like, subscribe, and share with your mama, your grandmama, your aunties, your uncles. Let's make this a community, because maybe you're like me and I don't have many friends anymore. I don't want to talk about it right now. Maybe we will when there's a story to tell or something like that, but right now I'm not gonna talk about it. But this is like my zen. Like, I get some me time throughout the day, and yeah, so please let me know what you think. If you like this look, if you want me to do more looks, if you want me to do some wig tutorials because you like, hey girl, let's pop in, just let me know, and we can talk. Talk in the comments below. I will reply, and y'all have a good night or day, whatever time you're watching.